Oh, where'd he go?
Hey y'all, what's up? Cooking with, I don't know my name, but we're gonna make some good ass pizzas. I'm lost in words, I get stage fright. So, first you get your olive oil on, like this. Oh, you got, oh, wait, I forgot. You got twist the cap. Oh, there we go.
Look at this action. Oh my god, that's a lot of oil.
That's what she said. So
my finger keeps getting in the way of the camera.
Okay, so now we got brush the sauce. We got brush the sauce.
Oh, there it is. Oh, ooh. You gotta brush it nice and good. Ooh.
I love brushing my sauce, getting it nice all and greased up, you know. Oh, you idiot! Just hold it.
It's nice, good now.
You gotta record the.
I'm waiting for the sauce process to be done.
All right, the sauce process is almost up. So once you get these hot babies greased up,
oh,
we get this, you know. We put it in the sink. Ooh. And now we gotta plop the sauce. We gotta plop the sauce. Okay, as you can see here, we got sauce.
Oh my god. That's a lot of sauce. That's a lot. That's a good amount of sauce there. Ooh, ooh.
Oh yeah. Saucing intensifies. Just listen. Wait.
Oh. Jeez! I think it got on my shirt.
Just listen. Then.
Jeez! Ah!
Ah!
Food wars.
Boy, you're going to be about to get fired if you do that again.
No!
See, now you put that right there. Kind of scoop it out there. And then you go, BAM!
I will wipe your phone off. Ew. No, too much sauce.
It can't get lost in the sauce, you know what I mean.
I'm from New Jersey. Need some more olive oil.
No, it doesn't. Alright, so
Need
now,
pepperoni.
since I'm a vegan, but I still eat meat, I don't eat dairy.
Yes.
So now you get a sauce from freaking Keegan.
You get the sauce from your arm, you eat it. Lick your arm.
No, I'm not licking my arm. Not for the YouTube views.
But
and we get all this. We got all this pepperoni, you know.
Don't you dare do what I did. You get lost in the sauce.
You got pepperoni, you know. You got pepperoni.
Oh!
We got 5-second rule, you know. Do it again. It's going. The germs are gonna bake off once you.
Yeah, they're gonna like burn and die.
Yeah, they're gonna burn and die.
Look at this pizza
in the hot box. Just listen to that meat pounding the dough.
Oh, this is not sponsored by pizza.
Just listen.
The slapping of your meat.
We got one more piece of pepperoni. Go shoot it.
Wait. Let your co-producer.
Test the meat.
Oh.
And so
that's it for this episode. Subscribe to me.
No.
Yes.
No.
My